What's the meaning of Bramley? Bramley. Bramley.
Bramley. Bramley. Bramley is a term that has several meanings. It can refer to a variety of cooking apples that originated in the town of Southwell, Nottinghamshire, England, in the early 1800s. These apples are known for their tart and acidic flavor, which makes them ideal for use in cooking and baking. The term Bramley can also refer to the name of a village in West Yorkshire, England, which is known for its historic buildings and picturesque countryside. Additionally, Bramley is a surname that is common in parts of England and Scotland. Overall, Bramley is a term that can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used.